When are you going to forgive Uterelo as a country? It seems like Uterelo, she's not going to have a great season because in September season 3, people are already calling out Uterelo saying what she's doing to Mayeni, it is totally unfair. People thought Mayeni and Uterelo are very close, and Uterelo do understand Ipeni Mayeni. If it's not Musamseleko, it is Mpumelele. At least she needs to understand why she's repeating the things that Vuyokazi used to do. She's totally unfair. That's selfish of Uterelo to even think of doing that. So anyway, guys, before we get to the story of today, the rest of the houses are my peers and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, for those who haven't watched Izangane September season 3 episode 1, Uterelo, she was having a conversation with a friend, guys. She was just talking a lot of stuff. She did even say she went back to school to complete her degree. Congratulations to Uterelo, guys. Maybe this year or next year she will graduate. You never know. Again, she mentioned something that people do not like. She said, if Mayeni she's not at work, they say, we are at Durban. That's when people were like, people are saying, why are you doing this to Mayeni, guys? He was supposed to be there for Singabako. So people are saying a lot of stuff. Uterelo, she's repeating the same thing Vuyokazi used to do. So people are saying that Mpumelelo needs to take full accountability. They don't like ingane zakampumelelo. They will always be with him Mayeni. Well, Mpumelelo is busy around doing whatever he wants. Mpumelelo needs to feel ubaba, guys. On the next story, guys, Mpumelelo surprise everyone. Uthi yena uzopaya amalobolo to 2 families. I don't know the first one, obviously the second one, Uterelo, guys. It was alleged Uterelo is officially the makoti wa Kamseleko. I've never seen Uterelo talking about being a wife ya Mpumelelo, guys. So people are saying finally Uterelo, she's getting married by Mpumelelo, guys. It is happening. Ubegezelile. Now she's getting the rewards. So people are saying they are so happy for Uterelo, but she must stop what she's doing to Mayeni. They thought Mayeni, they do have a great relationship. Even so, last year around December, Uterelo and Mayeni on a vacation. So people are saying now it makes sense. Uterelo, she's a wife, because we've never seen the other girlfriend as Mpumelelo going vacation, no Mayeni. So one thing girlfriend base Mayeni, guys, they don't play. They don't want to see Mayeni being hurt, guys. They love Mayeni. They will do anything to protect Mayeni. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.